have Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam with you. And that was far more precious to them than anything, because they had a certain afterlife in mind that was far more important than any type of life that anyone would want to live here. And so they were at peace missing out on the spoils because they knew that their Prophet ﷺ was still with them and that Jannah was still ahead. Ubadat ibn Samit radiallahu anhu said to his son, "O my son, you will never truly taste the sweetness of faith حتى تعلم أن ما أصابك لم يكن يخطئك, until you know that what has come to you was never meant to miss you. وأن ما أخطأك لم يكن يصيبك, and that which has missed you was never meant to come to you." So as Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah said, لا بد من نفوذ القدر فاجنح للسلم. Destiny is bound to happen, so make peace with it. We don't realize all the ways that qadr is working out in our favor, even though we think it seems to be for someone else. We get tied up with the means, the people, the worldly causes to what we want, and we forget what we actually really wanted in the first place.